Today, we are going to tackle on TCP versus UDP and IP address versus MAC address and the actual role they play in networking. Please, if you have your hands on the video, you share for your colleagues to also benefit. Please, you share the video for your friends to also benefit. Okay, let's get going. When we talk of TCP, TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, and it is a communication protocol that provides reliable and also ordered pathway for data transmission. Note, TCP is connection-oriented protocol, meaning TCP has a great contact or a connection with the internet. TCP has 4 layers, and these layers help the transmission of data speedily and accurately across every network. 1. We have the network access layer. 2. We also have the internet layer. 3. We have the transport layer. And 4. Application layer. Each layer has specific responsibilities and work with harmony with the others. Network access layer, also known as the data link layer, handles physical infrastructure and lets computers communicate with one another over the internet. Internet layer, also known as the network layer, controls the flow and routing of traffic to ensure data is sent speedily and accurately across every network. Then we move on to transport layer. Transport layer transmits data using transmission protocols, including transmission control protocols and user datagram protocols. Then application layer. Application layer also is a human-computer interaction layer where application can access to the network services. We then move on to the UDP. UDP is User Datagram Protocol, and it is a communication protocol that operates in the transport layer of the Internet Protocol suite. UDP has no connection with the internet. We then move on to IP address. IP address is Internet Protocol, and it is a logical mean of assigning addresses to devices on the network. IP address helps to identify network connections. It is also assigned by a network administrator or internet service provider and can be used for broadcasting or multicasting. IP address reside at layer 3 or the network layer of TCP/IP or OSI model. Then we move on to MAC address. MAC address is a media or medium access controller, and it is a unique identifier assigned to a network interface controller for use as a network address in communication within a network. MAC address is a unique hardware identifier that recognizes devices on the local scale. It is also hard-coded in the device during manufacturing. MAC address, sometimes called or also known as physical address. Follow and like for more tech instructions. This is your top tier tech savvy, and please don't forget to share.